and welcome to the last module for this semester. If I have any other information to push out to you, I will push it out in a form of an announcement. So if we look at what we have here for this week, we just have our final exam information. I have updated a little bit of it based on some information and feedback that I've received since the last time that we spoke. So let me take a quick look at that. If we look back at the module, notice that right here this says Final Exam Review Video. And in last week's module, I gave you an opportunity through a Google form to submit problems that you would like additional explanation on. At this moment, there have been no additional problems placed on that Google form. If there happens to be, I'll try to keep to monitor that. If there are problems placed on that Google form, I will create a video and place that link here on this page. All right, the very last thing in the module is the final exam. The name doesn't matter. It says Liseco's Honors Geometry Virtual Final. That's just my way of keeping everything straight between the other final exams that I have. So you will click on that. And when you click on that, it'll take us into just a Canvas quiz like normal. Notice that in the directions for the Canvas for the quiz, it will tell you that if at any point that you have a question, comment, concern, please Canvas message me. I'll be monitoring my computer closely. And then I may even ask you to get on Zoom very quickly. And in the directions is the Zoom link also. So just know that I will be here virtually to assist you from noon to 4 if it is needed. Okay, I believe that is all. And that, like I said, this is the last module. If there are any other additional things that I need to tell you all, I will put it out in the form of an announcement. But thank you very much. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And go through that with you. It is still scheduled for Friday, May 21st during our B4 time slot. The exam will open in Canvas. Now this is where I changed this a little bit to give you more of a window. It's going to open at noon and close at 4. You have 90 minutes to complete the exam that can occur anytime between that noon and 4 p.m. time range. So make sure that you have adjusted your schedule to complete the final exam for geometry during the scheduled day, which is Friday, May 21st, and the time range, which is from noon until 4. You have 3 different final exam reviews. And the test exam itself will consist of approximately 30 questions, some of which were fill in the blank and some of which are multiple choice.